So here we have a battery charger from HiQuick. So I just want to say thanks to them for sending me this. I appreciate it. Nice little lightweight battery charger, and they send you 8 1100 milliamp AAA batteries. So that's really cool of them. Now this battery charger has got two connectors over here, as you can see. So you've got a type C and you've also got a micro USB. Now they've sent a micro USB charging cable from USB A to the micro charging, but they didn't send a type C. So it would have been nice if there was a cable with C on as well, but never plug both in at the same time, only use one or the other. So remember that. And then if you look at the way this has been made, it's very lightweight. It can take AA batteries as well as AAA, and then when you put the batteries in, they go in at a slight slant, so they don't fit flat, so it's easier for you to get them out. And also there's little ridges over here on the inside where the battery sits inside. So you'll see if I put this AAA in and I put it in like that, it's not flat. You can see it's like a slight slant, and that's plugged in there. Now I've got a cable here which is C, USB-C, so I'll plug that in, and you'll see there it's got those LED displays on the top for both sides. And what it does is it's got 3 notifications. So CHG is for charge, then you've got full for full when the battery's full, and then error when there's an incompatible battery or something's wrong. Now these are the levels of charging. So you've got a low light, which is 1 to 3 flashing, greater than a third, which is now 2/3, so it's basically 2/3, and then when it fills up, then the battery will be fully charged. So that's all there. The weight of this device is 101 grams. So yeah, that's very light. Lightweight! Wow, that's very, very light. And so far it's working well, but you can charge nickel cadmium batteries and nickel metal hydrides. Obviously don't disassemble the unit, don't put it in water. So those are all the safety warnings and things like that. And the output is DC 1.2 volts, 1000 milliamps. And that's for AA's. And then for AAA's, it's DC 1.2 volts and 900 milliamps. And a full load voltage is 10 watts. It's actually really compact and easy to use, as you can see. So you can see the levels of battery over there. Whoop. And then what I'll do is I will get some AA's as well, and we'll put those in. So you can charge a mixture of batteries, and you've got 2 LED screens over there. So that's very cool. So let me get some AA's and see what it does. Okay, so I got these Duracell ones. This is a 2000 milliamp, and this one is 2450. So let's put these in. So these are AA's, so you'll see it will fit in the larger slot. So that's where that one will go. So that plugs in there, and then it's registered, so that's charging. And then we'll plug in the 2000 milliamp one, and that one's charging over there. So you can see it takes a mixture of batteries, and each one will be able to charge at their own pace and their own load, so you don't have to worry about keeping the exact same batteries and milliamps. So this is really cool. So I'll leave these to charge, and I just want to say thanks again to HiQuick. It's a really cool little charger, nice and neat and compact. Lightweight! Thanks for watching. Cheers.